All right, guys, welcome to this weekend to this part-time live market live analysis. Sorry, my friend here. Okay, well, we don't really need to waste our time. Okay, the market has been very crawly. The market has been very slow. That's because we are expecting all of these news announcements to be released into the market tomorrow. More especially the interest rate announcement from the Euro axis and the FOMC meeting minutes that will be released tomorrow. That is why I am saying that tomorrow is everything about this trading week. So the market has been very slow, very crawly. It has been very abnormal in terms of price action because of this news announcement that we are expecting by tomorrow. Okay. All right. So in all, you have to be careful trading all of these currency crosses, because we are going to be seeing some market volatility by tomorrow. All right, let's look into the pairs with a little hint for us to follow. Although you are aware right now that we are expecting heavyweight news announcement coming from some of those pairs, like the euro against the American dollar will be facing a double hit, both from the euro interest rate announcement and the FOMC coming from the American dollar axis. So here we are not going to waste much of our time, but you can also see that price has remained flat within this pair. Okay. All right. Here, what am I anticipating? Okay, nothing. We'll talk about the intraday time frame tomorrow morning. Now, the euro against the New Zealand dollar, I just want to show you that price is actually giving a low quality signal there at that level of resistance. All right, it's a low quality signal. Price might make a little drop somewhere in here, then find support around here. But hey, we are not interested in very low quality setups like this. If you want to take it, well, that is fine. It is a low quality signal. It's a low quality hint. We will not, okay, we will not trade it in our signal service for now. All right, Australian dollar against the American dollar again. You can see what price is doing at that level of resistance. That's an ugly level of resistance. You can see price reaction. It has been resisted off that level. So again, a possible market reversal from that particular level. But as you see, as you can see here, this is a very low quality setup given the previous past price behavior. Price has just been ranging, it has just been sideways. It is extremely hard to make money in this type of a market condition. All right, and so we are not going to be taking this trade in our signal service. If you are very aggressive, then you might want to trade that rejection of that level for a possible push to the downside. Okay, again, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen in the daily time frame. You can see how price again faced some resistance. Let me try to get the chart. Okay, how price faced some resistance. You can see the rejection for today again to the downside. That rejection is likely going to continue to the downside of that level of resistance. Okay, simple stuff, guys. That's a level of resistance, as you can see very clearly. But read the previous price behavior, read the last three candles. You would see that they have basically been hesitation candles. All right, just look at those candles. You will see that the market volume at that particular area is just too low in quality. Okay, so you really do not want to get involved in very quiet markets. Just avoid trading there for now. All right, American dollar against the Canadian dollar for today. I was of the opinion that price will keep pushing to the downside. This pair is still bearish in my view, even though we are seeing the pin bar here. Tomorrow I expect the price will make another push to the downside. If you are looking to go long, be very hesitant. You have to keep searching for short opportunities in the American dollar against the Canadian dollar. All right, the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. Well, we took a trade here where we are making plus 100 pips or so. That's our entry, sitting at a break-even position. We are still going to hold this trade. All right, we're keeping this trade. We believe all of what is happening here right now is a pullback. We expect price to keep pushing to the downside. You don't need to be nervous in cutting your profits too short. This is a key level of support. All right. To me, in my analysis, this is a pullback. Anywhere here, I expect price to keep coming to the downside in the sterling pounds against Japanese yen. So just hold that trade, keep it, let it run. All right. Similarly, the American dollar against the Japanese yen, price is still bearish here. We are expecting that the price will keep pushing to the downside. All you have to do is to wait for price to make that pullback to that area, that problematic zone. We might see price making some drop from that point on. Remember how it took price so much time to break through that particular level, and eventually it got the breakout today. We are expecting to see more drop to the downside by tomorrow. Okay. All right, this is basically all. Thanks for watching this video. If you have questions or contributions, feel free, absolutely free, send them across Ross, and we'll be exceedingly grateful and happy to respond to them. All right, I'm wishing you a stress-free trading activity. We'll talk again hopefully before the London market close for tomorrow. All right, okay. All right, cheers guys.